This tutorial is to acquaint you with the new features in CSOR.NET version 1.2.4, build 49. During this tutorial, we are using a Firefox as a browser, and it is done in real time. Most of the changes are designed to assist users in navigating to where they wish to start in the program, to minimize the overhead and time it takes to get to your starting point. Anyway, with that, the first feature upon login is to select a contract. For those of you who only have a single contract, you will bypass this screen altogether. Where you have several contracts, you can select a contract, and the new feature in this version is to select a contract as default. And we're going to come back and re-log in a moment, and you'll see how this will now bypass you to the contract screen for the small sample. Also new is to the user preferences. In the general is a new startup option, which allows you to select the location that you would like to be directed to upon login. And let's assume that you are an inspector and would like to go directly to inspection results. The options are you can go to requirements, QA plans, or inspection schedule. Selecting inspection results, and then the default section, and even the line item within that section that you would like to go to. Once making the selection, you must scroll to the bottom so that you can do an update. Now, having updated the program, we will log out and log back in. And you will find that we are now directed directly to the inspection results and the line item requested, and ready to do an input. So we simply, as before, create a new inspection. The first thing you'll notice that's new is that the scoring criteria is gone. This is the new default. If you wish to see the scoring criteria, you can open it up by selecting the box in the lower left-hand side of the scoring criteria and say show scoring instructions, or it can be unclicked and you have a very efficient and small input screen. The results can be entered. This will be particularly fast on mobile devices or browsers that may be slower and a bit clunky when you try to scroll from screen to screen. Inspection. Well, that took us through the features associated with the input and the efficiencies. One other functional change is that in the trend analysis quality analyst, there is a new box which allows the inclusion of inspections that were disapproved. There is a new default. On this version, the inspections that are disapproved will not be included in the quality analysis and trend analysis unless the include disapproved inspections box is clicked. Previous editions, modifications to the program allowed you to include or exclude inactive QA plans. And that is it for the new features associated with version 1.2.4, build 49.